afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2011 government pass question. Question number 39 says an example of public corporation in Nigeria is dash. An example of public corporation in Nigeria is dash A. National Population Commission, B. First Bank of Nigeria, C. National University Commission, D. Nigeria Television Authority. And as we all know, the essence of public corporation is to provide essential services. So, and that is not the purpose of Population Commission, First Bank of Nigeria, or University Commission, but what? Nigerian Television Corporation. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.